Yes, sir. What's next? Well, still cutting some tops. Yes, sir. Letting them go just like that. $20. Thank you very much. Honor system. You show up, grab the barrels that you want, you roll on out of here. Leave the money in the seat of my truck. Do not have to be here. That one, yellow one. Oh, I'm not a fan favorite of this one. I'm not even sure if I can cut these tops off of them with my tool, to be honest with you. I'm not sure. These are some weird barrels. I haven't quite figured out yet. Oh, but they're not the same, so I'll have to leave them back here to start with for now until I figure it out. So, but I do want to get several barrels opened up because I'm getting a lot of requests. People are cleaning up, man. People are cleaning up. Up means pine straw, leaves, all kind of debris blowed up against the house or against the shed, on the roof. Gotta go, gotta go. Look in Southport, North Carolina, burn barrels. You'll find me. And I can actually give you some of these for a rather good price. If it's a little bit sticky, I'll give you a better price on it. Sometimes they're a little sticky from the product. It didn't quite get 100% dried and it's liquidy. Yeah. Some of them it just dries up. It's okay. Burns out on the first burn, but if it's real slick, a little yucky, I don't mind throwing a little bit extra. Cheaper for you. So yeah, I bust these things all the way around. Bought this on Amazon as soon as I started. Huh? Oh, it is maybe. All right, my wife. That was the wife, Jamie Love. Like everybody knows her by Jamie Love. Bustle. Yes, sir. And yeah, something you might not know about that one is where we met. Where did Jamie and I meet? So if you've been watching my videos long enough, you'll know that one. This one has a little bit of yuck in the bottom of it. I'm not gonna lie, a little bit of yuck in the bottom. Stomach. It's almost hard, but not quite hard. You know, one of them type of situations. Top's a little bit sticky. Yep, she's sticky. That's what I'm talking about, sticky around that edge right there. I don't know as I have. Oh, look at there. Unbelievable. I can't believe it. Look. When you need a rag, you can never find one. And there it is. Huh? What? What? Yeah, what? Are you kidding me right now? Just where they grab it. I like to calm it down a little bit. Yeah. Beautiful. There you go. All that will burn out first time it burns, so I'm not worried about that so much. First burn, that's gone. Yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3, 5 barrels. 5 of them here. Oh yeah. I'll rub them down like this. It might actually dry faster. Just get hard. And then it's not so bad when you pick it up. There you go. Just a rag I found on the ground. Hopefully we'll find it again next time. Yeah, that one's a little bit ridiculous. Well, I'm not sure. Closed to sell. This is a black barrel. I believe it still is the same as the other barrels. Just some reason it's different color. I don't know why. But it's black. I don't know how many black ones I've done. Literally, I do not know if I've done any. So, This might be today. Barrel number 1, black. Let's get serious. Let's get serious. FM, baby. Serious FM. Oh, yeah. What a beautiful day, guys. Grandpa is so blessed. And the Ford, I haven't crunked up the Ford yet, but I have everybody asking me about not using it. And really, to be honest with you, it's because I let the inspection slap. So I gotta get it inspected. I'll try to do that one day next week. I'm gonna get some numbers off of it today. Yep, get it inspected next week because my black truck needs to go in because I can't drive it at night. My lights, my front lights, I only have one. I only have one light on my high beams and one light on my low beam. Dadgummit. Gotta take the whole front end off to dadgum change it on this Ford. I mean on this Toyota. It's not the same. So, here we go. Here we go. I gotta bring it into the shop to have it done. Gotta take off the whole grill. I'm not doing that. 6 barrels. 6 barrels. I'll figure out another way. I guess I'm gonna have to come around this way, but I think it's, I hate that I bent this up too. Nice piece of metal, stainless, and I bent it by putting my tractor over it. I don't know if I won't be able to bend it back by here. My weight will do it. Yeah, that and a hammer. Get that right back. Actually, I do want to give that to my neighbor because he does a lot of that groundwork like that. So yeah, let's see what we got here. Man, we might actually have enough air in the tire, believe it or not, to do that. I don't know. Love to get them rotors over here. Come on, get out of here. Hey, you stop that, Gracie. You don't fight. No fighting. Hey, Gracie, no fighting. She hears that other one over there, she's getting loud. All right, so this is basically what needs to be done and make my wife super happy too. So all right, that's what I got. That's what I got here to add to my pile back there. Plus that, there's just some nuts and bolts. I throw them in. I throw them in the trailer. And they go everywhere. My word, I hope I can get all these in one load. Rotors are heavy, guys. I'm talking about these things heavy. Be surprised. These things will surprise you very quickly. The amount of weight you're putting together. And he keeps on. Every time I go there, it's like, hey man, you got some rotors, man. I'll give you a good price for them. I want you to come back here. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. I don't think I can be able to. All right, 2 trips then. Let's do 2 trips. I'm not doing that. 2 trips is better than 1 bad trip. Let's do it. My horde that I have right now, this is where I'll be stacking them from now on. All my rotors. All right, let's get the rest of these.